Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says a D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine. How to fix this? Let's get started. First you need to open your start menu and search for adjust the appearance and then click on this. Once you do this, click on advanced and then click on change. Then click on custom size, and then on the initial size you have to type 1024, and in the maximum size you have to multiply your number of RAM with this. Let's suppose you have 8 GB installed, so you just multiply 8 to 1024, and whatever the answer is you have to write it here. For my case I have 8 GB, so I will do this. As per 16 GB it will be this answer. So if you have 16 GB installed, so just type in this one. Once you do this, click on set, then click on yes and restart your PC, and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide in this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.